So, as an officer for 26 years, I was asked all the time from friends, family, random people, what's the best way to get out of a ticket? And, you know, at the time I couldn't really say anything, but now that I'm retired, we're going to go ahead and ask some of these guys at this motor school how to get out of a ticket.
Well, the only reason you get out of a traffic ticket is, well, the only thing I can think of is if you get abducted by aliens.
So there's 3 ways to get out of a ticket. First one, if you just disappear off the earth. Second one, if you die before the court date. And third, just don't get pulled over.
Well, I don't know about getting out of a ticket, but I know what's going to guarantee you getting a ticket in Houston.
And what would that be?
If you're sporting any Dallas Cowboy attire or Texas Ranger stuff, you're getting an automatic ticket.
From the New Mexico State Police, better die before your court date.